Want to boost your tech, AI, or cybersecurity skills without paying a dime? In this video, I will show you how to access hundreds of high-value professional courses from Microsoft and LinkedIn Learning absolutely free right from your device. No credit card, no trial, just learning. LinkedIn Learning is an online education platform with thousands of expert-led courses in technology, business, creativity, and more. But here is the part. Through the partnership of Microsoft, many of their most valuable certification paths are unlocked and available for free through 2025. Yes, totally free. To get started, just go to opportunity.linkedin.com, then click on Learn Skills for In-Demand Jobs and scroll down. From here, you have access to explore all free courses. You can find learning paths in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, administrative professional, project management, data analysis, software developer, which at the end you get a professional certificate. Each path has short courses, which at the end you get a professional certificate, which you can add to your LinkedIn resume or profile. Here are some of the skills you want to level up in 2025. One is the human skill in AI, Microsoft Azure AI Essentials for aspiring AI developers. Human skills in AI is actually great for soft skills and those that want to add AI basics. Then you have cyber security fundamentals if you are looking to enter the security field. I also have generative AI practically for daily office use. To begin a course, you click on Earn the professional certificate. It takes you to LinkedIn Learning. You must have a LinkedIn account for you to have access to it. And if you don't have, create an account with LinkedIn and it's free. So over here, you can actually see the list of all the courses in this professional certificate. To start, you click over here on Start and it starts with the first course.
Generative AI using advanced techniques such as few-shot learning. I'm Ronnie Sher.
So you can pause, you can resume, you can play back, you can make it full screen, and you can set your volume height. Most of these courses have quizzes, which you can see at the end of each chapter, and also have sections for notes.
Get the most out of AI fast.
Here you can take your notes and Q&A sections with transcript, where you can see transcript of what he or she saying. Then from here, you can actually download your certificate and take an exam for your certificate. So once you complete the learning part, you receive a verified certificate, which you can actually display. Over here, I'm not done with this, but I have a course which I'm done with, and I've downloaded the certificate. It looks somehow this way. This is actually a certificate, how it looks like for you. With this certificate, you can actually upload it to your LinkedIn profile, and I will add it to licenses and certification section to boost your visibility to recruiters. So if you are learning on a budget or you are just getting started in tech, these LinkedIn learning courses are a good mine for you. Don't forget to bookmark the site so that you can frequently visit it, and there are other tons of courses here which you can upskill, like the digital literacy, soft skills, and entrepreneurship courses. And if you find this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to the KinspireTech and hit the bell notification icon so that you get more notified for new tutorials. Thank you. See you next time.